Hey y'all, welcome back to Mimi is Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, show your girl some love, like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna say it again, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hey, anyway y'all, and those of you who are, my old subbies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Y'all know. So yeah, I'm so hyped because I did some more shopping and I got some more stuff from Sephora. So yeah, y'all, this is a unboxing video. So let's see what I got in this out here. And it's completely closed. We're gonna open this together. I ordered so much stuff, y'all. I'm not sure what I got over here. Let me cut this open. Okay. Come on now. Tape. Woo! Open. Yes, y'all. Yes. Ooh, what we got open? I got some Versace. Can y'all see? There it goes, y'all. The pink Versace and the blue one. And guess what? We about to open this up and see how it smells. It's right on open. Ooh, it's a travel size too, y'all. Okay, this is how it looks. Mad cute. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. Smells sophisticated and sexy. Oh man, y'all. This one smells real good. I like this one. I smell the other one. I smell this pink one. That's the pink one. This one is Versace Bright Crystals. Oh y'all, this one is called Dylan Blue. Alright? Dylan Blue smells like I got some sophistication and sexy. Let's see about this one. Let me see. I could get it off. This is nice and it's light floral. It's a nice light floral perfume. Like it's like nice and relaxing, This smells good too. This could be like my little everyday one. I just want to relax, go out, to work, that is. But the Versace Dylan Blue, I'll wear that when I want to step out, dress up, shake my little tail feather, y'all. That's that one. On to the next. What else do I have up in here? I have Atelier Cologne, Clementine, California. This is how it looks. Get that all up in there. Can y'all see? All right. Let's see how this smells, y'all. I could get it out the box. Come on now. All right, here it goes. Ooh, nice pretty bottle. This is also travel size. Gotta spray it. Now let me spray this for y'all. Got me wasting my stuff, Ooh. This smells nice, tropical, so divine. Oh my gosh, like if I'm going on a vacation somewhere, like a nice cruise, or even like on a beach, That's why I will wear this. Have my little pina colada, the wind blowing in my hair, the sand between my toes, and I'm relaxing on that beach with this. This is what this reminds you of, a nice vacation, y'all. Like, as you can see, I cannot stop smelling it. It smells that good, like, for real. Yeah. I got weird. That one smell good. All right, we got some more stuff up in here, y'all. Ooh, I got Daisy Marc Jacobs Trio, and this is the original Daisy Marc Jacobs. Daisy Marc Jacobs is So Fresh, and Daisy Marc Jacobs Love. Let's see how these smell. We're gonna smell the Love. This is how the bottle look. Another travel size, y'all. Let's spray this one. Let's spray this one. Alright. Ooh, shoot. This smells good. Oh man. It smells good, y'all. It's light. A nice floral. Normally I don't like floral, y'all. I'm like a nice woody, settle type of person, but for me to like this, it's like a light floral, like, it smells so good. Like if I was to like go to like a picnic or a barbecue, I could wear this and not attract bugs, you know. This is what I would wear it to. Like I have, like, you know, I could smell good, but still, you know, won't be so attracting on bugs to me. But yeah, this smells so nice and pretty, and it's lightly floral. It's like the perfect combination, y'all. This could also be another, you know, everyday perfume. That's love, y'all. That love must smell mighty good. Let me see what else we got up in here. We got this one. Daisy Marc Jacobs. Another travel size, y'all. Oh, this is Air So Fresh. Air So Fresh. If I'm saying it right, Air So Fresh. Let's see. Let's spray this sucker. Ooh, missed it. I gave y'all 2 sprays, y'all. See? So I gotta make sure. Oh man, this one smells real good, y'all. Ooh. You could wear this going out too, y'all. Just smell real sexy, you know, going out. But not with your girls. With your lover. Put this on. You might well make it out daggone door with this on and looking all nice. It smells, yes. This one, it's So Fresh. And it's not even overpowering. It's a nice, fresh scent, and it smells so good. Like, I like nice, simple fragrances as well, you know. Cause some fragrances be doing too much. And the notes don't be, you know, cooperating, but so far, everything, I love it. And this one is the original Marc Jacobs. There you go. And I didn't even mention that the packages is so cute of everything so far. Let me spray this one. All right, boom. Got that one. This smells good too. Marc Jacobs, gonna get all my coins. Only got 3, they got so many. Dang, Marc Jacobs. You can't go wrong with Daisy Marc Jacobs. You really can't. This smells good too. Ooh. I take a nice, you know, shower or bath, step on out, spray some of this on me. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. Yes, it's another one that smells good. All right, Marc Jacobs, what is next? we got the Prada Candy. That's the next one, y'all. Let me open this. Oh. About to open this box. All right. I thought it was the box, you know, malfunctioning. It was my hands. I couldn't open it properly. Ooh, pretty packaging. Prada. Also travel size. Okay, we're gonna spray this one too. I can't smell nothing yet, but we gotta spray this one. Okay, let's let this settle. This one smells so, oh gosh, it smells so good. So good. Like, it's light, it's like fresh, sweet, warm, inviting, woody. This smells very, very good. Very good, y'all. Very good. And that's pretty much. Let me see. What is this? This is some free samples I got, y'all. What's this? The Cat Con. It's a, what's this? Tattoo liner. Some makeup and stuff. I got some free samples. Lipstick from NARS. Lipstick from Bobbi Brown. Free hair samples. Diva Curl. What else? Some more free samples. Some more free samples. Another free sample, and that's everything, y'all. But yeah, I love my perfumes, you know. They all smell wonderful. I'm gonna have fun wearing these fragrances, y'all. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Unfortunately, I thought it was so much fun letting y'all know how all of this smell good smells. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you would like more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. And like always, boo, bye. Love ya.